Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everybody. It's like 3:06 in the evening. It's my birthday today, 29th. Got myself some sodas, Seagrams, ice. Just got out of Walmart. I want to show y'all people something that really pisses me off. Need to get myself a bag, because this is fucking disgusting. So when I fucking got here, there was a person, or after I got here, a person pulled up next to me and started, it's this shit. Dude pulled up next to me, threw out a cigarette butt, his drink, the fucking alcohol that he decided to drink while driving. Fucking irksome.